So with the house being lifted today and level, you can see what it did to the plaster, which is fine. We just knock it out. And this whole wall was removed, what was left of it. So there's that. And the floor is level. I love it. Fantastic. It looks really, really good. I should bring my leveler over here to see how nice and level it is. So, pretty pleased. It feels pretty solid. Good. That's insulation, by the way. You walk in the front door and it's totally open. I love it. I know nobody could see its beauty, but I'm telling you, there's some beauty here. All right.